So Sean, welcome to your checkpoint number 4 for your applied piece and your project completion. Could you tell us about your applied piece, please?
My applied piece is basically an animatronic R5 dome from Star Wars. And what it's meant to be, how it ties into my project is it's meant to be a real-life example of a physical animatronic robotic piece. And animatronics are relevant to the film industry, and the reason why is that they allow actors to interact with something much more feasible rather than like a ball and stick on a green screen. And so generally the quality of the acting is much better. And in addition to that, it's also really useful for just overall just effects of the film. So this is an example of one of the ways robotic technology has impacted the film industry. I had all kinds of fun, particularly with another kind of robot that works in the film industry, which is the 3D printer. That destroyed a week of my senior project work time. It took out an entire week.
How many different pieces is this that you had to do, and what's inside there that the camera can't see?
There is a stepper motor that I used also some quick setting epoxy to specially set a 3D printed gear piece that meshes with the inner gear ring here. And so the idea is that that motor turns and kind of walks the dome around in a circle. These big wedges, there were times where I was running 3 of these on a single print. 24-hour print jobs, some of them were 20-hour print jobs. Some of them were 18. Pretty standard that all of my prints were above 10. That was why I began to experiment with getting 3D printing working right as soon as possible, because I knew I was going to need as much of a time window as possible to make all of this. But the more I look at it and think about it, yeah, this is 1-to-1 scale for an R5 dome. And what's nice is that there's actually an entire body out there that I can build for this. And so over the summer, maybe, I might just finish out the rest of this guy, get him working really nice.
So you clearly demonstrates application of research.
Yes.
Provides insight into an answer for the EQ. Demonstrates original thinking and new learning. I think you've shared that.
Too much. Too much.
Now, have you had a chance to share this with an appropriate audience?
I'm gonna, if it's okay, just have them come to my period 3 class, because that's a class that I think would benefit from it, and I needed it to be together.
Oh, you're gonna get it to do something?
Yeah. I would at least like to show it, have the LEDs kick on.
Oh, that's cool, Sean.
Awesome.
Wow. Very good.
All right, you're good.
You're good.
That's cool.
From a software standpoint, it is definitely ready. Here's the pain in my backside, and the reason why I currently only have 3 hours of sleep. But I'm very thrilled. The panel went very well. This piece functions pretty decently. I'm going to need to make some minor tweaks and adjustments so that the motor will operate more smoothly, and to also pretty it up with a good coat of paint. And of course get more ball bearings to reduce the friction on it. But overall, I'm pretty thrilled. All the electronics are Arduino kit electronics that I was able to cobble together. So it was really nice. It all fit together really nicely and worked out in the end. And I'm looking forward to truly finishing this guy up and making him look pretty.